uh, we're in the middle of gaining acceptance into the API standard with our process, and over the next few years, it's my passion to convince the industry that our patches or our repair plates may be superior to a welded in lap patch. And of course, I'm a little partial, but that's my goal, is to defend our repair plates versus the traditional repair methods that invite corrosion, they invite future anomalies, where our forge bonded repairs, because of the materials and the processes that we use, resist corrosion. And and that's my defense, and I'm sticking with it. And I'm confident that we can prove to the industry over time. I mean, this is our 10th year in business. We still have repair plates that are in service, that were installed, I believe, in year one.